You smile now.
We'll go back and do a little research on them. You're taking some pictures, but also get some idea of numbering in your book. Look around. How many? I mean, are they everywhere? Are there hundreds of them? Are there tens of them?
Are they solitary or in flocks? Folks, we'd like you to meet Cindy.
These can be somewhat territorial.
Everyone stops.
I mean, you're a lot bigger than they are, but still sometimes they'll, yeah.
But they fly in giant flocks. They have a real leader, and they do not violate who's the leader.
Oh, look
right?
at that little goose over there. That's a good one.
Why?
That's a snow or Ross's goose.
That one's standing
Snow
on
Erasmus goose.
The
That's
short goose that's
Snow
sticking on
Ross
the
is the
grass.
black tail.
That's a good
Take a
one.
look.
Mostly the prairie goose. There he is.
Oh, do you think it's great?
Yeah. You got him flying over.
Oh, yeah. So are they just going after grass and wetlands, like right where they were feeding?
So these two aren't domesticated.
No, the giant white ones, they're domesticated.
They're
Like
escaped.
you've seen some of the spawn. The Canada goose likes them, they're the same size.
So
kind
this
of
is
a
the
cousin.
a snow goose. Cindy
about
says
like
it
that,
is
too.
quite rare.
It's
Take care.
huge.
The snow goose is the little guy over there. Yeah. These are just domestic
Yeah.
dumb guys. They're dumb dumb.
Even though they're the most impressive, they're the least impressive bird watch.
Trying to find a bubblehead. When he flies. Oh, okay.
The female looks another way. Those brown ones out there, see how they have white at the base of their bill?
Yeah.
Those are the female lesser scots. And then to the right, you see the male with the kind of bluish bill, black in front.
Oh, one of them just dove.
Yeah.
Just a bluish whatever.
So the females look like a whole different duck than the males in the lesser.
There's the pie-billed grebe.
Like and these goes by a variety of affectionate terms. Mud hen. Oh, wait, okay, so what?
You can tell the male and the female lesser scots. The males have the yellow eye and they're like green, blackish head, white in the middle, black on the tail. The females are brown with a little bit of white around the bill. Why are the females brown?
Yeah, same thing with the mallard. Why would the females be drab colored? Any ideas?
Maybe
Why
to
would the
hide their
female-
baby.
Hide their baby.
Yeah,
You
and
got
then
it.
that's to prevent so they get rid of
Those are good waterproof boots you got on?
Yeah.
protection.
Watch Adam break.
See, there's the snowy egret straight ahead, standing at the edge of the water.
Page 25 in your little books if you got it.
Whoa.
Yeah, I think that's a frog mouth.
Or maybe
Sitting on
it's
top.
a
Could be a fish. Fish.
That looks
Jaws.
like fish.
You're
That
right.
looks
Fish
like a
jaws.
fish.
Fish jaws.
That's cool. Like,
So there are.
it's a dead bird.
Mallard.
And you can see some of the males are kind of, they don't all look alike. They shed their feathers. And then they get a new crop of feathers every spring.
Do all the coots look the same?
Coots all look pretty much the same.
Hey, squirrel! Oh my god! It's so close! I'm trying to leave.
Look at all these squirrels.
You sure that's all you want? Thought so. Yeah, now run away.
We're gonna let it take the apple. This one's not doing real well.
That guy got like bitten or...
Mange or losing his winter coat.
Look at his left eye. Get the apple, boy.
Oh, see the white crown? See the white crown sparrow right there?
Oh! Hit it. See, that was the best.
Oh, see the white crown? See the white crown sparrow right there?
No!
Squirrel.
Can you take this grass stuff?
Wait, was it a song sparrow?
I think
on the
that's
thing, or-
some.
The song sparrow, you recorded the voice. There's one song sparrow and several white crowns there. So the song sparrow sings, and it looks like it's the white crown doing it.
Hey Cindy, how many times have you seen true American goldfinches in San Diego?
Hardly ever.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's mostly lessers.
They're
They
supposed to
like
be
the
here.
rivers. Like San Luis Rey.
The American?
I think you can get them big rivers. Oh, the goldfinch.
Probably.
Do they have a recording? Oh, no, the baby.
And they're going around looking for insects. They glean the insects off the trees. And when they make a nest, they have this giant, long nest, about 1 foot long, and they all lay their eggs in the same nest.
Henry? Tell Henry, a flock of bush tits. Flock of bush tits.
In the springtime, they get this really colored ear looking, you know, kind of like puppies.
Brown stripe.
Yeah, all white against the water. Black head. Purple.
Just went under?
Yeah, just dove under.
Yes.
Are we all going? I don't know. Looks like we are.
We'll go to the lunch table.
Oh, okay. So, all right.
That spreads everywhere. It likes wet areas to grow in. It's a really bad plant to. It takes over all over the place.
So you find here. I got gloves. Here, Mark. I got it.
You have to be
This is something that if you're doing a remediation of a wetland, they go in and they just try to get this stuff out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready for it.
We do see something, but not a yellow bit. Yellow bit. Let's bring a rock.